Hello and welcome to day 92 of Bedtime Welsh, and we're starting to think about some different ways forward after we've reached the big 100, but more news about that later on. For today, a slightly easier set, but still should give you a little bit of a workout. First one is, I want to see.
Dwi isio gweld.
Dwi isio gweld. How about, I want to see who is in the garden.
Dwi isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Dwi isio gweld pwy sydd yn yr ardd. Okay, how about I want to see who is playing.
Dwi isio gweld pwy sydd yn chwarae.
Dwi isio gweld pwy sydd yn chwarae. And last one for today, let's put them together. I want to see who is playing in the garden.
Dwi isio gweld pwy sydd yn chwarae yn yr ardd.
Dwi isio gweld pwy sydd yn chwarae yn yr ardd. So that's less of a stressful one than yesterday, and just looking down at it, tomorrow, if we remember, looks like being another comparatively easy one, so we'll see you then. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!